Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cranberry sauce ice cream. Now, after I made my turkey flavored ice cream last week, a lot of people suggested I make cranberry. So here it is, keep watching, and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Now, the first thing we need to do is start off with a blender, and I'm using 1 can of cranberry sauce. I'm going to put the whole can in there. And we're going to blend this up until it's a nice puree. All right, there we go. Next, in a large bowl, we want to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk this on high until it forms stiff peaks. Now, after it's formed stiff peaks, we're going to add in our sweetened condensed milk. That's a 14-ounce can. Fold that in. After that's been folded in, we're going to come back to our puree of cranberry sauce puree. We're going to add that in here. Just fold that in. This step is purely optional, but if you want to add a little bit of red food coloring to it, you can do so. Now we're going to bring in our freezer safe dish and dish it out onto it. Tap it down. Take some plastic wrap and cover your ice cream. Put your lid on. Put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, or overnight is even better. Now our ice cream has been in the freezer for about 8 hours. We're going to pull it out and take a look at it. Now let's scoop some out and dish it up. Well, there it is. That is our cranberry sauce ice cream. Well, now it's time for the taste test. Let's dig into this and see if it really tastes like cranberries. It's good. It's almost like a sorbet. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this cranberry sauce ice cream. It was a lot of fun making this. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. You're going to enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time.